Liberty Mall. Here goes the baby girl. She's walking around. I hear a train. And you know how I am with trains. Oh, there it is. I see it. Wow. Now there's my kind of job. Look at it. It is too cool. There goes the train. Thank you. Alright, let's see who's next to me. Oh, look. Got this gorgeous woman sitting next to me. I don't know what she's doing.
Error.
Oh, error. She's got an error. I think I need to move. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. We're at Liberty Township Mall here in Liberty Township, Ohio. Yeah.
Westchester.
Westchester. Yeah, something like that. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.